If we want to show the more details of our drawing, we can use section planes to reveal the more details, which will ultimately what it do, it creates the sections or cutouts from which you can see more details within your model. So like in architecture we have plans and as well as we have vertical sections which will reveal your interior details of that particular building. So here we have section plane. Under the tools you have this section plane, so you can select it here and it asks the plane selection as well as its attributes, initial attribute and place. And once you select this, you can see now it is selecting the face. Whenever I move my cursor is analyzing the plane from which I have to create this section. So if I want to have the view of the plan here, so I will just click it here and you can see it has created a cutout here, and this is the plane that is creating the cutout. This demarcates our section plane. We can also move this particular plane by using marquee tool and using move, or shortcut is M, and we can drag it below. You can see we are now able to drag it, and we have created a section here, a proper section, and it is also cutting the trees that are coming along the way. So, and if we had some furnitures here, and this would be a perfect plan we have. We can see like right now it's in perspective mode. If I make it parallel projection and go to the top view, so it is the proper plan that we have, and it gives us proper planning. So I'll get back to parallel perspective, and you can see I am able to manipulate this plane according to my need. Even I want just section of this particular thing, so I am able to get the view of this what I can say, swimming pool here. So you can always delete it and get rid of it. And if let's try another. I want a vertical section here. What I will do, I will go to the tools and I will use section, and it asks name and symbol, and just get rid of it. And thereafter that I will click this plane or click this plane, and you can see the section has taken its orientation along this glass, and we can always select it, and when we move it, you can see we are creating the section of our building, and also we are creating the section of the tree. You can see the tree is cut into half vertically, as well as when we go in, our building is in half. So the sections and this section plane reveals more interior details of your model, and whenever you are in presentation or something, you are able to show your internal details of your model. So it will be helpful for you. So once you get yourself comfortable with this tool, you are now able to show the details that you have created in 3D modeling. So try this tool by yourself, get Excel. You will be able to become a very good 3D modeler, and you will be able to use SketchUp very fluently and efficiently. Thank you.